Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the console room to breathe. Plug in a fast USB 3.0 drive or SSD with plenty of free space, and make sure the system recognizes it. Once done, open Settings, go to Preferences, then Capture and Share, and choose your capture destination and base resolution. You're deliberately lowering capture quality if you want longer clips, because 1080p or lower produces far smaller files than 4K. This trade-off is what lets you record for extended periods. Now you control how much the Xbox will actually keep. You should set the capture length to the maximum available in Capture and Share, and pick a lower resolution like 1080p or 720p so each minute uses less space. Once set, practice using the capture shortcut or the guide quick action to start and stop recordings cleanly. You can also rely on record what happened for retroactive clips, but for long, continuous sessions, start a manual recording to avoid losing earlier footage when the buffer. Finish strong by managing storage. Transfer recordings frequently to a PC or cloud service so the external drive always has headroom. You'll often get more reliable sessions by recording in consecutive segments and later joining them in your editor rather than one massive file. If recording stops unexpectedly, reboot the Xbox first, confirm the drive is still assigned for captures, and if problems persist, reformat the drive as prompted or switch USB ports. These steps usually clear permission or power negotiation issues that break long recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.